Igbo ndoma na-ege ntị ekene m ụnụ afọ mbụ maazị Ogbete Osuchukwu reporting live for Voice of the East. Ebe anyị nọ tata bụ na Holy Ghost na Enugu State opposite State Library ebe Peter Mba na-eme demolition a na-enweghị osikwa ihe ndị ọzọ akwatu na-aba tata ka anyị jụkene ndị na-ebe a ajụjụ ka anyị mara ife na-eme.
Ihe na-eme ebe a bụ na gọọmenti si na ha chọrọ ịrụ ọtọrọmọda park yes. So na ha chọrọ inye Enugu a better shape.
Ọsọsọ ndị park ka a na-achụ ọsọ ka ndị ọzọ.
All these houses niile ebe a niile.
Ife ọbụla dị n'ezi a.
Ebe a na trout gbago.
Ma park ma shop ma
anything. To Enugu North. So ha chọrọ ịrụ modern park. Ọ bụrụkwa sọsọ ebe a ma ha ga-arụkwa sọsọ na Abakụ mana ebe a ka bidogodoro ọrụ. Na some comment na-asị na ndị nwe ana na gọọmenti asetụrụgo ha.
Ndị nwanyị.
That is the landlord owners, the main landlord owners, according to them. And I'm going to eziokwu.
Na time here I say you were kwapụ ruo ozi. Ọ bụzi adakwuta anyị n'ike.
Okay, ihe a na-emekịta bụ ibide.
Ọ ibide ka ọ bụ na because emevuru anyị asịrị anyị nọ 27 wee ruo ozi. O ruo this early morning na. Anyị wa ka anyị bido ọrụ anyị asị anyị mba n'ọrụ na anyị kwapụwa. Fụ na onye ọbụla ị na-anya na ifu na onye ọbụla nọ na-ata afọ dị arịa mana ihe mmakwa na ihe ọbụla emekwara anyị ọ dị ọkwa mana anyị kwụ na anwụ wee tọrọ nwoke a vootu ịghọtago anyị kwụcha na anwụ bịakwa chụpụtakwa anyị na anwụ so na obi adịghịkwa mụ a personally mma o ịghọtago ifugo osi wee dị na nene anyị niile na anyị na-ata afọ na nobody anyị bụ ndị tụọrịa vootu tachara ya afọ kwọrịa na anwụ ma mmiri ama anyị ọ bịakwa chụpụtakwa anyị na anwụ so na aga m akwụ ihe mere ihe a ọ bụ na onwe ebo provide asị anyị jewe ọ bụ na ya ejeghị ya nke ha dị iche mana onwe ebo provide ara anyị ghọtago ọta ya afụ anyị bidokwa from square one ghọtago nsogbu adịrọ mana Chineke nna makwa ọchịchakwa nke taa echi ọ ga-adịkwa.
Onye bịara ebe a ebe 3 days ago bịa kere anyị akwụkwọ si remove very soon that everything here will be removed. About 2 days after that, you understand, he came and started destroying everything here. You understand? Even he didn't even want to exercise any patience. You understand? But I have nothing to say about it. Tomorrow is here. That is, tomorrow's here. He was telling us. You understand? I think tomorrow is here yet. God knows everything.
Everybody's running helter-skelter.
It seems like the state government has decided to forget about the peoples of Enugu State. This is a market, and their first deal of business is to go and pay the landlords. The landlord is not even reimbursing the tenants.
Wait, landlords were paid behind the tenants' back.
Even had to hide the fact that this house is coming down today. That's why everybody is taking it back. So who is reimbursing the tenants? Who paid 1 year? Who paid 2 years? Who are 2 months into the building? Who's going to reimburse them? The business is everybody's being looted here. Who is paying them? So what happens in this life is the rich gets any kind of payment from the government, while the poor doesn't get anything. Notices have been coming, but from what I heard, they said at the end of the month. And they said the commissioner was there, reassuring everybody is at the end of the month. And just a night after that, this is happening, very early in the morning. Even when they saw people were evacuating, they could have given time, 6 p.m., when they make sure they cannot cause any harm to anybody. If you're in this building and you're trying to evacuate, and this tractor comes in, whatever happens to you, you're on your own. Nobody's saying anything. Look at the risks people are taking to get this out. Evacuating overnight. You didn't even come in the morning and say you give it to 6 p.m. Nothing. See everybody running helter-skelter here. No organization, no nothing. They take from the back, they take from the front, just to ensure you don't get anything out. To make sure you have the pain. So when you are talking to somebody else, the person will know how to run. This is messed up.
Demolition go to make people happy. Again, make the first time Obido. Again, the last day and one.
Okay. You know you believe in again one.
Because I'm not quite with that aim. People are happy, but at the time I got happy. Something like that happening at New Haven when the former governor of Enugu State, Governor Chimaroke Namani. So they are demolition. Have a double rain. So today, New Haven people are enjoying it. So when I know, there is
no compensation.
There is no compensation on this. Another compensation. The thing I notice. But my problem is the notice at the time. Well, I asked like 27 days to demolish everywhere.
I know Niru signboard. Commissioner of Transport Enugu State, Dr. Obiozo, and the governor. This is the prototype of evacuation Ebenina na Kwatucha. Omni guy, get if you low, Maga Yabi Achoelo. Honestly, Ogesi Quesimia, ka onwe ka esi kwesị ime na-esiro wee mie anyị nọ na comment section na-eche unu ndewonu